আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি সকল জিএসএম বন্ধুরা ভালো আছেন। I hope you will be all right, my all GSM friends. So today I will gonna talk to you Vivo V25E. It's a new phone, MediaTek processor, and when you can need uh, demo mode remove, you cannot any tools because it's not supported still now of any GSM tools. So you can contact me WhatsApp this number and make your phones absolutely permanently demo mode remove from working with me. So contact WhatsApp, make order, and instant 10 to 30 minutes your phone is absolutely okay and permanently demo mode is gone. So if you need this service, contact WhatsApp, email this number.